So, Harley Davidson wants to sell me a front seat mount bracket for the Servicar for $45. $45! It's just a piece of strap that bends around the backbone of the frame, makes a little loop, and the seat T attaches to it. Bolt goes through the strap on both sides, and the seat T pivots in the middle. And so I said, well, I can make that bracket, but I had to bend a piece of steel to do it. And so I figured I'd build my own little bender. So here's how this little bender works.
What I did is I welded these little 1/2-inch pieces of square tube to the inside of a piece of angle iron. And what those dudes will do is accept sockets. Once those sockets are on there, then you can take your piece of flat stock. I haven't tried it with square stock, but it might work. You can take your piece of flat stock and just use one socket as the stay and one socket as the die, and just spin it right around there. Worked great. I'm gonna have to trim it down a little bit. I wanted to make it a little long so I could figure it out, but that radius is pretty darn good. I'm pleased with myself. Happy times. All right, one step closer to Servicar on the road.